Hello and welcome to all my children. So today I wish you all a very good day. Now, as always, when we are making Christmas decorations, we need Christmas socks. So that's what we are making today. So you can take any colored paper, but I'm taking it in red. So fold it in half so that you get like a centimeter. And now turn it around so that the corner edges come and meet the middle line. Now this corner you have to bring up so that it's folded into half. Then this corner you have to fold it like this so that there's like a sort of a line, and up till the middle push it in from here to here. So fold it in like this and push it in only until the middle. Now we have done this before also, so you may remember. Now slowly what you have to do is holding it like this, fold it like this by holding your hand like this. Then you're slowly going to open this paper. Now it has to fold down equally. So then these two parts you need to fold in like this. And that's all we have to do. Our Christmas sock is complete. See how easy it is. You can make a variety of socks using different colored paper, and you can hang them on your Christmas tree. So I'll see you soon. Goodbye.